What is up, my fellow coding enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel where we try to conquer technical interviews without letting the AI uprising happen just yet. Today, we are diving into how to use artificial intelligence as a genuine training partner for your coding prep, rather than just using it as a lazy shortcut. The secret sauce isn't asking the machine for answers, but using it to sharpen your own thinking and identify the blind spots you didn't even know you had. And if you are documenting your journey, I want to talk about how to turn those hours of raw footage into bite-sized clips that people actually want to engage with. Tools like Vizard make this incredibly simple by automatically chopping your long-form practice sessions into high-quality, shareable content. Let us start with tip number 1. Practice restating the interview problem entirely in your own unique words before writing a single line of code. You can paste the prompt into an AI, write your version from memory, and then compare them to see if you accidentally dropped any critical constraints or made false assumptions. The second tip is to use AI to generate a list of high-value clarifying questions that you should be asking the interviewer during your mock sessions. By comparing your list of questions against the AI suggestions, you will quickly learn to spot edge cases and memory constraints that beginners often miss. Tip number 3 is to treat the LLM like a rubber duck, asking it to help brainstorm solution directions rather than just dumping code on you. Ask it why your current approach might fail on large inputs or which data structure might be more efficient, and you will start to understand the trade-offs. Moving to number 4, use the AI to act as your big O complexity coach so you can learn to analyze your code performance conversationally and accurately. You can ask follow-up questions about how the complexity changes if the input data is streamed or if the system becomes memory constrained. Tip 5 involves reviewing your final solution and asking the AI to suggest improvements, like cleaner variable names or better edge case handling. This isn't about letting the AI write your code, but about refining your own logic and patterns so you are ready to shine in the real interview. Now, we have to address the ethics. Never use these tools in a live interview, as they are meant strictly for sharpening your skills during prep. If you rely on AI during the actual assessment, you will get caught the moment the interviewer asks for a deep dive into your reasoning process. Remember, the goal is to master patterns, not memorize answers, which is why I often recommend deep dive training platforms for your foundation. But once you have those skills, you need to share your progress, and that is exactly where Vizard transforms your long study hours into viral content. If you record your mock interviews, Vizard automatically detects the best moments and turns them into ready-to-post clips for platforms like TikTok. This saves you from the tedious hours of manual editing, allowing you to focus on your actual coding practice instead of post-production headaches. Consistency is the name of the game, and Vizard helps you plan out a full week of content in just 10 minutes by scheduling your posts automatically. Don't just use these tools for the sake of it, though. Use them to showcase your authentic growth, including the mistakes and the aha moments. People connect with the struggle and the learning process much more than they connect with some perfectly polished, curated highlight reel. For your final workflow, try recording a mock interview, uploading it to Vizard, and letting it generate flashcards or clips that you can review later. Over time, this will build a massive portfolio of your progress that you can show off to future employers as a testament to your problem-solving skills. To wrap this up, treat AI as a powerful force multiplier for your prep, but never let it do the heavy lifting that your own brain needs to do. And if you want to reach more people while you learn, use Vizard to remove the friction from your content creation so you can keep grinding. I really want to hear from you. What are your favorite AI tricks for coding? And how are you documenting your own journey to land that dream job? Drop a comment below, share your clips, and keep up the great work because you are building your future one line of code at a time. Peace out, keep grinding, and let's go make some clean, beautiful code today.